We love the sun. It gives us warmth, light, and a feeling of well-being. However, sunlight has a powerful effect on our skin, both positive and negative. While moderate sun exposure provides essential vitamin D, too much sun exposure can lead to various skin issues, ranging from mild sunburn to premature aging and even skin cancer. Our skin, the body's largest organ, acts as a protective barrier against the environment. The sun emits ultraviolet, UV, radiation, invisible energy that penetrates the skin's layers. This radiation is categorized into UVA and UVB rays, each with unique effects on our skin. UVA rays penetrate deep into the dermis, damaging collagen and elastin fibers, leading to premature aging. UVB rays primarily affect the epidermis, causing sunburns and increasing the risk of skin cancer. Sun damage accumulates over a lifetime of exposure. Imagine your skin as a delicate fabric exposed to the sun's heat. UV radiation silently damages your skin's intricate structure at a cellular level. It affects the DNA within skin cells, potentially leading to skin cancer. Basal cell carcinoma and squamous cell carcinoma are common types, often appearing as persistent sores or unusual growths. Melanoma, the deadliest form, develops in melanocytes and can appear as a new or changing mole. Early detection is crucial for successful treatment. Over time, UV radiation weakens the skin's ability to repair itself, leading to premature aging. This manifests as wrinkles, age spots, and a loss of skin elasticity. These changes reflect underlying damage with long-term consequences for skin health. Meet Sarah, a woman in her late 40s who spent her youth basking in the sun without protection. Now she faces the consequences of unprotected sun exposure. Sarah's skin tells a story of years spent under the sun's rays. Fine lines and wrinkles etch her face, particularly around her eyes and mouth. These wrinkles result from collagen and elastin breakdown, giving her skin a prematurely aged appearance. Sarah also notices dark spots or hyperpigmentation scattered across her face and hands. These spots are clusters of melanin produced in excess due to sun damage. The texture of Sarah's skin has also changed, feeling rougher and less supple. These changes make applying makeup difficult and contribute to an overall dull complexion. Sarah's experience serves as a stark reminder of the importance of sun protection. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays is non-negotiable. Sunscreen acts as a shield against UV radiation, significantly reducing the risk of sun damage. Sunscreens contain filters that either absorb or reflect UV radiation. Chemical filters absorb UV rays and convert them into heat, while mineral filters physically block UV rays. The sun protection factor, or SPF, indicates how well a sunscreen protects against UVB rays. An SPF 15 sunscreen blocks approximately 93% of UVB rays, while an SPF 30 blocks about 97%. Dermatologists recommend using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Apply sunscreen liberally to all exposed skin 20 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours. Even on cloudy days, up to 80% of the sun's UV rays can penetrate clouds, making daily sunscreen application essential. While sunscreen is vital for sun protection, it's not the only line of defense. Adopting a multifaceted approach to sun safety can further reduce your risk of sun damage. The sun's rays are strongest between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. During these hours, seek shade whenever possible. If you must be outdoors, consider carrying an umbrella or seeking shelter under trees or awnings. Protective clothing provides an additional barrier against UV radiation. Opt for tightly woven fabrics that offer more coverage, like long-sleeve shirts and pants. When choosing a hat, select one with a wide brim that shades your face, neck, and ears. Sunglasses are essential for protecting your eyes from the sun's harmful rays. Sun damage is not just about the occasional sunburn. It's a cumulative process, silently accumulating with each unprotected exposure. Every minute spent under the sun without adequate protection contributes to the overall damage your skin endures. Think of it like a bucket being filled with water. Each unprotected sun exposure adds a drop to the bucket. Over time, even small drops can fill the bucket, leading to overflow. This cumulative effect highlights why early adoption of sun-safe habits is crucial. Protecting your skin from a young age can significantly reduce your risk of developing skin cancer and premature skin aging. By adopting sun-safe habits now, you can help prevent further damage and protect your skin's health. The visible effects of sun damage, like wrinkles, age spots, and uneven skin tone, often drive people to seek ways to reverse the damage. While some damage is irreversible, various treatments and skincare ingredients can help improve the appearance of sun-damaged skin. Topical retinoids, derived from vitamin A, are considered the gold standard for treating photoaging. They work by increasing cell turnover, stimulating collagen production, and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. Chemical peels involve applying a chemical solution to the skin, which causes the top layers to peel away, revealing smoother skin beneath. Laser resurfacing treatments use focused beams of light to remove damaged skin layers and stimulate collagen production. Ablative lasers remove the outer layer of skin, while non-ablative lasers heat the underlying skin without removing the top layer. Laser treatments can effectively reduce wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of sun damage. The sun, while essential for life, requires a healthy dose of respect. By understanding the science behind sun damage and adopting protective measures, we can enjoy the sun's benefits while minimizing its risks. Make sun protection a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, like brushing your teeth or washing your face. Apply sunscreen every day, regardless of the weather, and reapply diligently. Seek shade during peak hours, and remember that even a few minutes of unprotected sun exposure over time can add up. Spread the word about sun safety and educate your loved ones, especially children. Encourage them to develop healthy sun habits from a young age. By embracing the shade and making sun-safe choices, we can enjoy the sun responsibly and protect our skin's health and beauty for years to come.